Yes, Ayan, start reading, please.
When the plate moves away from each other, they diverge. The diverging of the South American plates from the African plates is an example of happening. Both plates consist of ocean beds as well as continents. The diverge occurred on the oceanic beds of the Atlantic Ocean. The divergence is caused by the conven- convection current within the mantle.
Okay, thank you. Next, Hamza Ahmad. Unmute yourself, Hamza Ahmad, and start reading. Second paragraph. Yes.
The place where the plates move apart, magma from the Earth's crust rises to fill the gap left by the moving plates. The magma cools to form new crustal rocks and sea floors. Over time, the sea floor spreads as more magma rises to fill the gap left by the plates' movement. At the boundaries where the magma rises to the surface, ridges are formed on the ocean beds. This boundary where the magma rises to the surface is called a constructive plate boundary. New crusts are formed at such boundaries. This process of sea floor spreading will eventually cause the Atlantic Ocean to become larger and the two continents, South America and Africa, to move further apart.
Okay. So, divergent plate movement. Okay. In this, the two plates diverge from each other. Okay. They move apart. दूर दूर हो जाते हैं. Okay. And what happened then when the two plates they move apart, the magma which lies beneath those plates, it moves upward. ठीक है. प्लेट्स जब मूव अपार्ट होती हैं तो वहाँ जो लोअर लाइन होती है मैग्मा की वो ऊपर आना शुरू हो जाती है एंड देन ओवर देयर at the place where the plates move apart, magma from the Earth's crust rises to fill the gap. जैसे ही plates move apart होती हैं, there is a gap over there. उस gap को fill करने के लिए वो जमीन के अंदर से magma होता है, it rises upward, okay, and fill that gap. Now the magma cool down from the new crustal rock and forms a new crustal rocks and sea floor. Okay, जैसे ही मैग्मा जो है वो सी बेडिंग में या सी फ्लोर के ऊपर फिल होना शुरू हो जाता है, आना शुरू होता है, तो मैग्मा तो गर्म होता है, राइट, और जो सी बेड का लेवल टेम्परेचर होता है वो ठंडा होता है, कम होता है एज कम्पेयर टू मैग्मा. सो व्हाट हैपन कि जब वहां पर जो है छोटे छोटे रिजेस, छोटे छोटे माउंटेन्स, छोटी हिल्स जो है वो सी बेड में बनना शुरू हो जाती है. So now over the time, the sea floor spreads as more magma rises to fill the gap left by the plates. By the time जो है ये जो गैप है इसको मैग्मा जो है वो फिल करता रहता है और जितना जितना गैप बढ़ता जाता है उतना ही मैग्मा जो है वो सी बेडिंग यानी समंदर के जो बिल्कुल एंड होता है जहां जमीन होती है समंदर पे वहां पर फिल आउट करना शुरू हो जाता है. Now, at the boundaries where the magma rises to the surface, ridges are formed on the ocean bed. Now, this boundary where the magma rises to the surface is called constructive plate boundary. Constructive plate, कुछ construction हो रही है यहाँ पे, एक नई चीज form हो रही है. That's why this type of movement of the plates is known as constructive plate boundary. ठीक है, जहां पर एक नई चीज कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रही है, एक नई रिजेस बन जाती हैं, छोटी छोटी सी माउंटेन्स या छोटी छोटी हिल्स बन जाते हैं just because of the filling of magma in the gap which is taken place by the movement of the two plates on the oceanic bed. Is it clear to all of you? ठीक है. So this process of sea floor spreading will eventually cause the Atlantic Ocean become more larger. You know कि अब जैसे जैसे ये प्लेट्स जो हैं, these two plates they will move apart, तो समंदर if it's in the Atlantic Ocean तो वो समंदर जो है वो और ज्यादा फैलता जा रहा है और ज्यादा बढ़ता जा रहा है. ठीक है. Okay, now you can see that in figure 1.7 the crustal plates movement moving away from each other, right? और जहां दरमियान में गैप आया है that there is an arrow over there, उस गैप को जो है मैग्मा ने जो है फिल कर लिया. अच्छा जी, ठीक है. Now we will move towards the transform plate movement. We have done up till now the first of all convergent plate movement, then the divergent plate movement. Okay, now transform plate movement. इस movement में क्या होता है plates की? Let's see. Yes, Zaid, can you start reading, beta?
Yes, miss.
Hmm.
Transform plate movement. Crystal plates slide past each other in opposite in directions. An example of this occurring is seen in California, the United States, where the Pacific plate slides past the North American plate. The lateral movement of the two plates cause a fault line known as the San Andreas Fault to form. The boundary where the crystals slide past each other is called the passive plate boundary. Unlike convergent and divergent plate boundaries, there is neither creation nor destruction of crystal plates at a passive plate boundary.
Okay, now transform plate movement. It happens that the plates they transform and these crystal plates slide away in opposite direction. जो दो plates होती हैं वो opposite direction में हल्की सी slide हो जाती है. ठीक है. Now in this type of plate movement, neither the construction take place nor the destruction take place. Okay, ना कोई चीज construct हो रही होती, कोई नई चीज बन भी नहीं रही होती, और कोई चीज डिस्ट्रक्ट भी नहीं हो रही. ओके, दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस यू कैन से इन ऑल ऑफ द थ्री plate movements, that in convergent plate movement the destruction took place, in divergent plate movement the construction took place, and in transform plate movement neither of creation or the destruction took place. ठीक है, तो ये एक चीज ऐसी है. Now what happened that the lateral movement of the two plates causes a fault line known as the San Andreas fault, okay, to form. The boundary where the crystals slide past each other, it is known as the passive plate boundary. जहां पर ये दोनों plates जो है वो आपस में slide होके थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो जाती है, that is known as the passive plate boundary. Okay, अच्छा जी. I'll be taking